This is the first ever Lego slingshot. This is Lego Man. He has 2 heads. This is our engineer. He'll be our our slingshot dude. And these are our field goals.
Let's hope one doesn't die.
Okay, yes. Now we will shoot it for you, and then we will show you the results.
Fire! Ah! He blew up! Oh, I found something.
Dude,
We lost his
What'd
leg.
you find? What'd you find? Oh no! Oh, here's his head! Here's his head! I found his head! Here you go.
Look at it.
Here's the second head.
Look.
Whoa!
Where's the helmet?
Oh no, we lost the helmet.
He's literally dead.
Okay, that is all.